Wagwan. Okay, so today we are undergoing a new installation. So right now at the present moment, I was going through my electrical blueprint to see and locate all the areas where I need to have my electrical boxes, my data boxes, my data pipes, and the fire alarm system pipes also. This is the ground floor that we are working on presently. The audio wasn't so good on the video previously, and there was a lot of heavy wind.
On short piece there. Yeah.
Piece of the work done so far. 2-bedroom, bathroom, and passageway. We have this piece completed and data put in also. Today. We are continuing the process in some box and some upper pipe down the side here. So we are going to deal with that side here now. So line up here now, box them, start also time to run some pipe. Almost completed the entire roofing. All pipes are being checked and ensure that everything has been installed in their correct areas. As such, this building will be ready for slabbing very soon. We're presently now on the inside of the building, which is one of my favorite areas to work. Over so you can finish up, you know. Over so you can finish up, you know.
to the top. Yeah, good. Lonely.
The grounding was the last thing that was done, and it is one of the most important things in the electrical circuit. Main leading from the inside panel to the outside meter socket. This channel will be concreted before inspection done. To like, share, comment and subscribe. Set speed.